everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Dark mode is one of the most popular features that people look for in an app today. Here is how you can turn it on step by step on your Instagram app. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap to the hamburger menu in the upper right corner. Then click on the Settings button. Scroll down and click on the Theme button. Select Dark from the Theme menu. Here's how you can change your Instagram to dark mode. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.